Well, we've come again today to Gol Gol State Forest, and we're going to fish the creek or the Billabong. I'll show you on the way out where the creek runs into the Murray. Not much of a day, pretty windy, cold, but you never know. Looks like Helen's got the first fish for the day. Jesus, it's been slow.
Oh, look at the size of it. Oh no, it's not
Here
too
it is.
bad. I think it's a yellow belly.
Is it? No, it's a carp.
It's a carp. Oh, God.
Lift it over it.
Yep, carp.
About 350 long.
I hardly felt that. It was only at the last minute.
Yeah, they're just taking it very slowly. Sorting the tangle out from a bad cast, and this popped up, and it may be a yellow belly. I can see a darker tail. No, it's not. It's another carp. Foul hook, would you believe? Look at that. Hooked in the dorsal fin. It's about 400 long. No, it's not. No, it just was caught around the dorsal fin. It's actually hooked in the mouth.
Good job.
Damn, just missed one. Helen's in again.
Oh.
I just missed a big one.
What's this?
Yep. No, it's another
a
carp.
big carp.
They're darker. Look, oh, I just fell back. Ah, damn. Pine's in now. It's definitely a carp. It's a silvery. Shoal must have come up the bank or up the Billabong. Now that's a easy 400, that one. That'll be a 450.
Geez, a jumper.
Well, here's another one here. He was playing around for ages with it.
Oh.
It's about a metre down from the bank. He's a gold colour one. Look at his tail.
Yeah.
Fins.
He's not far from a goldfish.
No. Here's a good catch for the day.
Oh, that's an interesting fish.
Reindeer fish. I just missed one. That was quite a good bend on the rod too then. Well, we're in again somewhere down here. And it's another carp. A reasonable size. Well, quite a few of them have been around the 400 mark today. This has got to get him up the bank now. We're about a metre plus higher than the water. And while I'm here, across the other side there, if you see that big tree, you see a line on it where the water level was when the floods were around. I'll ever get him up. There he is. Oh yeah, he's 450. Easy, I'd say. No, I'll go again. 250. Yeah, no, he's 500 easy. We're hooked into another one, and it's a carp again. He's a darker one, yeah. 350, yeah. It's onto something that's reasonable size, I think. You got off, has it? No, you're still on. Keep it coming. Otherwise it'll go around a snag. It's down here.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yep. Yeah, I'm bringing it up here. It's lower at the bank here. It just got off. The cormorant's come in to visit us here. He's been swimming around and duck diving. So this is a creek where we were fishing today, and this is where it runs into the Murray. You can see the Murray just out there. And as I said, we're in Gol Gol State Forest. And the boat ramp is just here. There's the mouth of the little creek. I forgot to say we've got 6 carp for the day, ranging from 300 to 500. And that's looking down the Murray. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. It was a good day out.